Everybody, welcome to another episode of the RV Kitchen. Tonight's going to be another Instant Pot meal, and I'm going to tell you, if you don't have an Instant Pot yet, I recommend getting one. The one we're using tonight, this is the 3-quart. I'll put some links in the comments below to two of the ones that we like. This is the 3-quart. We're also ordering the 6-quart coming up pretty soon. The reason we're going to carry two, the 3-quart is, number one, is big enough for two people for most things that we do, but it's also only 700 watts. So when we're boondocking, running off the batteries, inverter, stuff like that, works a little better. But we do want the 6-quart for when we're hooked up. And the 6-quart, you can get a lot more accessories and things like that. So a lot of the accessories don't fit the 3-quart. Got to have the 6-quart, and cakes and pies and stuff like that. But tonight, we're going to do country style ribs, barbecue country style ribs. Then we're going to have some corn, mashed potatoes, and salad. So with the ribs, all you need is a country style ribs, barbecue sauce, and a Coke. We're using Coke Zero tonight, but you can use Coke, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, whatever you want to use. But tonight we're doing Coke Zero. 1 cup. One cup Coke right into the bottom of the Instant Pot. And again, this is going to be another one of those difficult recipes that I don't know if you're going to be able to handle or not, but you know, it's a whopping 3 ingredients. Barbecue sauce, any kind of barbecue sauce you like. Tonight we got brown sugar and bourbon. And we're going to do 1 cup. And 1 cup. We're going to whisk this together, if I can find a whisk. Just whisk together the Coke barbecue sauce. Okay. And then you place the rack or trivet. This is one that comes with the 3-quart. You just place it right on the bottom, and it should sit pretty level with the liquid, so you don't want to go over. And then our ribs. Tonight we're using Slap Your Mama seasoning. Again, any seasoning you like. If you know me, everything I use is Cajun seasoning. Sprinkle some on the rib. And lay it on the rack. Sprinkle. I'm actually going to stand them up on the rack. You can go as heavy or as light as you want on the seasoning. I go pretty heavy. Alright. We got those stood up in the pot. Alright guys, remember, make sure you comment in these videos. Comment below anything that you want to see me cook. Whether it's in the Instant Pot or regular cooking, anything you want to see, just let me know. We need ideas for episodes. So you got your 3 ingredients, your seasoned ribs, 1 cup barbecue sauce, 1 cup of Coke, and we're going to put the lid on. So make sure your lid is on pressure. And then we're going to pressure cook these. Now these are not frozen, so if they were frozen, you would go 40 minutes, 45 minutes. You want them real tender, fork tender whenever you eat these. Being they're not frozen, we're going to go 30 minutes and see how they are. We can always go a little longer if we need to. But pressure cook. "30 minutes. There we go. So now that'll build pressure. It'll come up to pressure and then start the 30-minute countdown. While that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and get our salad prepared. We're going to get our corn ready to go. And of course, we're in an RV and this is a simple meal. So we're not doing anything fancy. Frozen corn, salad in a bag, mashed potatoes in a bag. We'll show you how we do it anyway. All right, we've got about 15 minutes left on the ribs, so I'll go ahead and start getting the corn and mashed potatoes and all that stuff ready. Get the water going for the potatoes. And I don't need the corn on yet. And again, like I said, I'm going to keep it simple. Frozen corn, put it in a pan with a little butter, salt, pepper, keep it easy. The mashed potatoes, now tonight I chose a applewood smoked bacon because I think it would pair nicely with the barbecue. Just kidding. First one I grabbed out of the pantry. Doesn't matter what kind you use. I do use real butter. I don't use the butter in the tubs, the mostly oil. I do use real butter in most things I do. We'll put a little bit of butter. Let's see, just 2 of us tonight, so that should be plenty of corn for 2. Go ahead and get this one started on a low heat. And when the corn's done on mine, I actually sprinkle a little Slappy Mama on mine. I don't put it in while it's cooking. I don't think Tracy likes it on her corn, but I'll put a little bit on mine when I'm eating. Of course, between Slappy Mama and hot sauce, I think I put it on everything when I'm eating. So we'll have this in ready to go. Right at the end, right when I'm taking the ribs out, we'll throw, I think, 1 cup of water, 2 cups of water, sorry. And then the salad. There you go. Salad in a bag. We got some salad topping and balsamic vinaigrette is what we're using. Use whatever you like. So we got 2 minutes left on the ribs. Oh, bless you, Gizmo. You can see we work around the dog who loves to sleep right under our feet. And he just woke up. There you go. Pressure cooker timer goes off. We'll do a natural release on the pressure. Or a quick release, sorry. Hit the release. Corn's about done. So we'll do 2 cups of hot water for the mashed potatoes. One. Potatoes are done. Corn is done. And then I've showed you in a video before, but in case you hadn't seen that video, there's a silver button on the lid. As long as that button is up like it is now, you don't want to open the lid, or you can't open the lid. Once that drops just like it's done, everything is released, ready to go. So then you can open the lid. There's your ribs. So we'll get them out. Get them onto a plate. And we'll get some of the sauce, but we'll get the ribs over to the table. And then we'll get some of the sauce. And I usually just get enough to put over our mashed potatoes and over the meat a little bit. So there you have it. Ribs, salad, mashed potatoes, corn. We use a salad topper on our salads, balsamic vinaigrette, and of course I put Slap Your Mama on everything. So we're gonna plate it up and see what it tastes like. We're gonna give it a shot real quick. Tender, good. In the words of Uncle Joe from Medea, look here, bruh, that's good. Remember, if you like the cooking videos and want to see more, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want notifications for when we put new videos up, make sure you click the bell. We'll see you in the next episode.